Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is October 2nd, 2022. Hope you're all doing well. In today's segment, we'll take a look at stocks with unusual option activities. So when the option activities are very unusual, there is always something going on. These big players are making big bets, and retail investors like us, we got to pay attention. Look, what I've done is I've created some filter here, and we got here the premium. I made sure the premium is more than $1 million, so that way you don't look at small retail trades. These are big money manager hedge funds doing the trades. And also in the first filter here, I made sure the day to expiration is in next 6 days, meaning these are expiring on 10/7, which is October 7th. So we can look at the shorter term time frame first and see how the folks are betting in the options market. Look, first we look at NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Lines. As many of you know, stock got clobbered on Friday because looks like cruise liners are really not doing well in this environment. Look what's going on here. We got Norwegian Cruise Lines. The stock price is at 11.36. Look at the IV rank, very high IV rank here. We got IV rank somewhere here, 87, as you can see here. Put call ratio, look, 1.84. That tells you a lot of put options traded. It's a bearish at this time, and we got a little bit higher short ratio here, 9% short float, and float is relatively high for 19 million shares. As you scan through here, stock is not doing well. It's down 18% on Friday. It's been down all along. It's 61% down from 52-week high. Look here, we got put options traded here at $12. Stock price is 11.36 and expiring in next 6 days. And look, they are really selling put options at a little bit higher than the current price. As you look through here, they have collected nice $2.3 million, huge amount. And look, it's a bull trade mainly because the last price is above the midpoint. Look, midpoint is right here, 1.3, and the last price is 1.4. Last price is above the midpoint. That's why it's a bullish trade, and it's at ask. Look, ask is 1.4 and last trade is at 1.4. That's why it's bullish, and it's above bid. As you can see here, AB means above bid. So it looks like our friend here bought sold a lot of these put options here with a nice $2.3 million. Probably it's a bull scenario here. So as you look through here, we can also go into my favorite platform here, which is Option Strat. Option Strat also got this trade here. Amounts are not exactly same, but look, we got the bullish trade going on here, NCLH, and they have amount of 685 here. And what I've done here is, as you can see here, we got I made the filter here, minimum premium at least, let's see here, we can even increase it slightly here. We can say minimum premium at least 120k or so. Look, we got many of these trades coming here, and I made sure the expiration date is less than 8 days. We look at the shorter expiration dates to begin with, and I removed ETFs from the current filter list here, so that way we get the stocks. Look, we got NCLH right here, and I could click on this here to see what folks are doing here. Look, there is a nice 13.50 put option sale here, and premium is 205, as you can see here. And look, they're selling the put here. They're hoping price will go above 13.50. And as you look through here, Norwegian Cruise Lines, let's go into this nice chart here. We got trading view. Norwegian cruise lines here. Look, stock is getting obliterated. Look, stock is down big time. And we got here our favorite indicator, which is the lazy bear indicator, which is squeeze indicator. As you look through here, you could look at this indicator right here. Let's see. Look, we got squeeze momentum indicator by lazy bear, and look, it's got a nice popularity here. Look, we got a nice likes, 81,000. It's one of the top indicator in trading view. When you are trading short term, I recommend adding this lazy bear squeeze momentum indicator. So look, I've added it right here, as you can see here. And now it's saying, correctly, look, right now trend is going down here. We got a red candle here indicating right now things are not doing great. That's why we got here one red candle here. So that does not impact bulls from speculating. They're taking it as an opportunity because stock came down big time here. Volatility increased. They're really selling the $12 put option slightly above the current price and pocketing the nice money here. So you could do something similar also here, but be careful. You got to put your speculative money here. All right, so that's about this one. And you could also go into thinkorswim platform. Look, we got nice 21,000 option volume here. Expiration date is 10/7. If you go to thinkorswim platform here, look, we got it right here. Put option here, 21,445, and open interest 227. Look at the volume. Volume really surged. This is what going on here. Somebody's really selling put option, pocketing cool $2 million, $2.3 million here, and they're basically buying it at the selling it at the ask price and pocketing some good money as the market is falling down the cliff here. And we got a few more here. Look, we got PBR, which is many of you know here. It's a energy company, and look, there's a call option traded. Currently, stock price is $12, 12.34. Somebody's selling the call option at $14 as well as $13. Look, looks like they're selling first one at the midpoint here. That's why it's not applicable. But the second one they're selling at above the midpoint here. That's why it's a bull scenario. Looks like Petro Brazil here. Folks are really thinking it'll go higher. Looks like somebody's buying call option, as you can see here. All right, so let's go back to our favorite platform here, which is option strat, and we can go in here and see what's going on here. All right, so let's go to flow summary and look at the next symbol here, which is PBR. Look, we got PBR right here, 1.6 million. Petróleo Brasileiro. Look, nice 1.6 million, and you can bring it up here. And look, we got a nice 14-13 spread going on here. Looks like it's a spread trade. If I go back to this platform here, look, 14-13. We got 14 and 13 here. Looks like this is a spread trade. This platform here, option strat, gives some does some intelligence. They got some artificial intelligence to detect is it a spread trade or not. Looks like it's a spread trade. They're collecting a cool $1.68 million here. So you could also click on this here. It will tell you what's going on here. It's highly unusual. And look, premium is 1.68. And it's a bullish trade, as you can see here. So you could open that in the visualizer and see what they've done here. Look what's going on here. PBR trading at 12.35, as you can see here. And we got a call option here, $13 call option. Somebody bought this $13 call option, as you can see here, and against that they sold a $14 call option, and they did huge amount of trade. Volume is high, and look, they collected just the net debit is $21, as you can see here, mainly because you're buying at a lower price, selling at a higher price. And max profit is, look at the max profit here, nice max profit here. Chance of profit is 31%, as you can see here, and break even is about 13.21. In next 7 days or so, folks are betting this stock will be above 13.21, so they can collect their nice premium and go from there. So that's what's going on here from a probability perspective. This trade wants the stock to be above 13.21, as you can see here. All right, so that's about PBR here, and we can go into a few more trades. And look, we got a few more here. We got Zoom here. Looks like Zoom has got a bullish trade going on here. Look at the $1.7 million, and it's a call option. Right now Zoom is 73, and look, we got a call option at 75 expiring in the next 6 days or so. Looks like somebody is making a bull case here, putting a nice $1.7 million. This cannot be small time player, it's a big institution. And we can go back to our option strat platform here and go back to the flow here and go to the flow summary. Let's keep going back here. All right, we can go back one more. All right, so we got option flow summary here. Let's go one back. All right, so we got our flow summary, and look, we got expiration date. Let's go back to 6 days here. All right, so we got less than 9 days. That's good enough. And minimum premium, we can go back to around 100K or so. That's good enough. And we can get rid of ETFs for now. And look, we are looking at Zoom video here. Looks like, let's go back here. Yeah, Zoom video did not make it here. On the positive side here, let's do one thing. Let's increase, let's decrease it slightly here and see if we get Zoom video right here somewhere. All right, so we don't have Zoom video here. That's why some of these platforms will not pick up everything here. Let's go back to Zoom video. Look, Zoom video, what's going on here? We got call option traded here at $75, as you can see here. So what we can do now is we can go back to our Thinkorswim platform and see what's going on in Zoom video here. We can bring up ZM Zoom video. And 75 call, we can go back to 75 here. Look, 75 call, look at that nice 11,000 volume here. Open interest is so low here, that's why it's an unusual volume. And we can go back to our platform here, trading view, and bring up Zoom video here. All right, so we can say ZM here, Zoom video. All right, so look, Zoom video, we got stock trying to think where to go here, and as usual, keep a watch on right here. We got squeeze indicator. Squeeze indicator is saying, hey, there may be something positive going on here. Look, there is a nice wrapping up here. This can go higher. That's why somebody betting big money here. Look, there is a nice nice point of control at $110 here, and volume is pretty much okay here. And we can also bring up here into our platform here and see what's going on with Zoom video here. Zoom video, we got ZM. All right, so Zoom video, as you can see here, we got earnings coming. Earnings is much later. They already just had earnings here, so looks like folks are really paying big money for the Zoom video and hoping it will go higher, and that's why they're doing this bull case here. What we can also do here, we can see if it's a spread scenario by going into put call here. So we can bring up Zoom video here. All right, we can also say day to expiration just 6 days, just like we saw earlier. All right, so we got 6 days to expiration, and we got Zoom video right here. Look, there is a bull case here. Somebody paid a big premium and bought this call option here. And on the put side of the house here, from a premium perspective, it's not great. Looks like it's not a not a spread within the same expiration date. Looks like somebody is bullish on the Zoom video here. All right, let's go back here, look at a few more unusual activities. And as you scan through here, look at some of the biggest dollar amounts here. We got Tesla here. Looks like somebody's bear on Tesla. There's a put option here, 268. Stock is at 265. This could even be a scenario where somebody's really selling put option. That could be the case. They probably want to make some big money. That they may be betting Tesla will go higher. And we can also look at trade into option strat and see what's going on. As you look into option strat here, we can look at Tesla here. Let's see here, Tesla. We can increase the amount. Typically Tesla is a big amount, as many of you know here. Looks like Tesla also did not show up here in this platform here. I also typically look at one more platform, which is unusual whales. It's again, you could create a free account. You will get some good data in the free account also. So right now I got here unusual whales. We can bring up Tesla here and see what's going on here. Look, we got Tesla here, and if you could also say time frame here, and time frame we can say October, say let's put it right here, October right here, October 8th, and let's say apply. And now we'll get Tesla. Looks like there's nothing in the October 8th time frame here. We can actually increase it. All right, let's actually do one thing. Let's remove this here and just say Tesla. So Tesla, as you can see here, some of these are DTE older. It already happened. We got 5-day expiration here, and look, we got nice 8.51 million here, and this one is bearish 4.11, bullish 4.14 here. So as you can see here, Tesla is mixed here. There's bearish, bullish, both flows going on here. So as we go back to our spreadsheet here, we got Tesla, and look, Tesla, as you can see here, look, somebody's trading put options, as you see here, and there is also a nice call volume here at 273 here, stock being at 263. So this is a bull case scenario. Probably somebody's financing their call option by selling some put option here. That could very well be the case here. So either way, you could take advantage here and do something similar and go into Thinkorswim platform here and bring up Tesla. All right, Tesla 5 days. As you can see here, we got some big volume coming up here. We are talking about a put option right here. Put option at $268. Keep watching 268 here. All right. 267.5. We're at Tesla here. Tesla, go back to Tesla. And call option at 273 and go to 273 right here. Call option 273, so we can go right here, 273. We got 272.5. And look, there's a nice volume going on here, 12,478. So looks like somebody's really doing some call option here for Tesla. You could take a look at Tesla here. We got put for 268, call put for 268 and call for 273. And you could take a look at those two here. We got 272.5 here. Again, we got nice and high volume around 270, as you can see here. So you could play along and see if you can do something similar here. And we got a few more. Nike, as many of fell down the cliff big time here. And you could also look at a few more here. Look, we got huge amount here. We got Tesla again, very huge amount here, 273 again. So you could take a look at such scenarios and see if it's worth playing along with this here. And if you don't want to look at this big list here, we could also go into this platform right here, which is option strat, and you could just bring up here. I would say right now we are in less than 9 days here. Look, if you want to play bullish side of the house here, you could look at these scenarios here. Look, we got Apple at the top here. You could just follow this, click on Apple. Look, somebody's selling 250 put here. Nice $335,000 here, and we got 120 call, $207. If you click on this, it'll open up here, and look, it's again a bullish sentiment here. You could open this up here, and it will open up in in this platform here. Look, expiration is next 5 days on 7th of October. And look, we got Apple right here, and somebody's transacting this trade here. And look, we got 250 put right here. Right now stock price is 138. Somebody's really hoping stock will go up nicely. That's why they're trading at 250 put here. They're selling at 250 put, collecting nice money, as you can see here. 11,170. Wow, that's a big amount of money. Somebody's really gutsy here. All right, so we could go back here and look at a few more flow activities. Look, we got a few more flow activities here. You could also expire, now we got all expirations, as you can see here. As you look through here, you could reduce the number of days here. If you are trading in the 60 type or 45-day type time frame here, you could go around 60 here. Look, around 60 here. You got right blockchain again. It's a bullish. Typically SPX type trades are really big. Look, we got S&P 500 index. Look at the money here. You could look at this also here. Click on SPX. Look, somebody's selling a big put here. Look at the money, 10.72. It's again a split. They are really splitting it across multiple exchanges, and actually in the same exchange, and putting this order here. Look, SPX, if you open this trade here and go to visualizer, you see what's going on here. Look, SPX right now here, 3585, as you can see here, and we got 3550. Somebody's really selling put option. Somebody knows SPX can explode higher. That's why they're selling this and collecting some good money here. All right, so we could look at a few more trade here and go from there. Look, we can pull the expiration all the way here and do around 60 days or so. And we got a few more. We got Qualcomm, again positive side, AMD, Zim, Upstart, all positive. On the negative side, look, all the energy names here, and some of these copper and gold stocks are down. Microsoft also has a negative vibe here. And we got a few more like SoFi, SPY, and so on and so forth. It always, it's always a good idea to look at this option flow here and trade accordingly. And this option strat platform makes it very easy to trade along with it. Look, we got here AMD, one of my favorite stock here. It's bullish. Somebody's having a nice premium here, 4.13. You could open AMD. Look what's going on here. There is a sweep. Looks like somebody wants to sell 61 call here. And it's a sweep, meaning it goes across multiple exchanges to fill this. And we got also a block here. Somebody really has a block order here. This seems to be bullish, which is a green. As you can see, it's again selling 1.95 million. That's a huge amount here. You could probably open this up here because it's a huge premium amount here. Somebody's selling on 105 put, as you can see here, and you could open this up here. Look, current stock price is 63, and somebody's selling a put option all the way to 105, and which is in next which is expiring, let's see here, in 19 days. Somebody's hoping stock will go above 105, and they're collecting a nice cool premium here. Look at the net credit, and they will break even if the stock goes above 63.85. This is a good trade here. Somebody's really selling this huge premium, and their break even is just at 63.85. and as you can see here, we got chance of profit is 48%, which is not too bad. I think it's a good trade. Somebody's really gutsy, and look, estimated margin is $1,200, as you can see here. All right, so we could look at few more flow here, live flow summary here. Look, we got few more things here. We could also take it all the way and make it 60 or so here. We got nice flow going on here. And if you want to look at small cap, not a big cap here, you could just say small cap and turn this off here. You could keep these things. Look, we got just small caps here. In small caps, as you see here, we got Veru seems to be bullish, right? Blockchain again bullish, Upstart is bullish, and look, BBBY, which got clobbered. Somebody's making a bull case. You could click on it and see what's going on here. Somebody's buying a 6.50 put. It's a sweep, as you can see here, goes across multiple exchanges. You could click on it, and you could see what's going on here. Look, we got Bed Bath and Beyond, and you could play along with it. It looks like somebody's really buying 6.5 put option here, and expiration 9/30/2022. You could play along and do something similar, and see if it's worth your effort. And we could also go into a few more flow activities, but you get the idea. And you could also look at flow, the unusual whales. Again, a good platform. It gives you a lot of data free of charge here. You could remove this here, and now you have all this data here. You could go into the filters, and typically if you want to look at big trades here, you could just go into the filters and look at only big trades, and you can sort. You can look at the total premium and go from there. Look, we got here filters, and I will say reset filters, and we got here multiple things. You could say premium range here, 1 million. There you go. Now we get big trades here above 1 million. These are all the big ones. We got all these ETFs, as you can see here, and you could play along. This one, it's a pretty good one here. If you don't want ETFs, you could just look through here and look at other things. But as you know, ETFs are one of the biggest premium trading going on in the ETFs here. Stocks typically not as high premium or trading activity compared to ETF here. So this is what I would do here, and always look at the option open interest, unusual option activities. One more thing you could do here, we got one more tool here, which is barchart.com. In barchart.com, you can click on unusual option activity here, and that will bring up unusual option activity. As you can see here, I could make the font a little bit bigger here. Let's go here to font manager, and I will choose one of these fonts where you can see properly. Let's go to, say, probably one of these fonts here. Maybe Poppins is good here, and we can change the font to say 600 or 700 here, so you can see properly. Now we got here unusual option activities, which is bar chart premier. It's it's worth it. It's about $200 per year. But it's worth it. It gives you nice unusual option activities, and it's got ton of information here. It tells you what's going on here. Look, we got volume over open interest. When it's higher, that tells you it's a there is a lot of unusual activity going on here. From a stock perspective, you got all these things. You got UAL, NCLH, TEWA, so on and so forth, where there's an unusual option activity. You could look at this one. What I do is I download this and bring it into a nice format, something like this here, and take a look at this and make sense out of it. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.